Hi, this is my traffic light code project. So here is my circuit. You can see it's on green right now. You press it, it goes to yellow, red, green, yellow, red. And when I hold it down, it doesn't keep going, just stays on green. So yeah, it works great from physical sense. Here is the code. So it's pretty similar to the true toggle or true switch, except you set up the additional lights. Actually took toggle out and add a new variable counter, which starts as just 0, just an integer. So in the loop, you have the same thing with current state and previous state, where only actually runs this whole chunk of the code. Or so rather than turning toggle on and off, if the button is being pressed for new time and making sure it's not just being held down. So instead of changing toggle, it changes this counter function. So when the button's first pressed for the first time, it adds 1 to the counter. So counter is going to be 1, and then every time you press the button again, it will add 1 to the counter. And then because there's only 3 lights, you won't want to cycle through 1 to 3. So I said if counter equals 4, it just resets it back to 1. So then down here, what happens is, so when counter is equal to 1, LED, the green LED is on, and the other 2 are off. When you press it again, and counter goes to 2, counter goes to 2, turns the yellow one on, other 2 off, and then same for 3. And then since it resets it back to 1 when it hits 4, it goes back to green.